Hello everybody, welcome to another DIY Monday video. There'll be two, maybe three video a month on the DIY Monday channel. Sometimes it will also be on Pond and Garden channel. It depends on what I do. I'm setting this up, should be behind me, but I have this here right now. I wanted to show you what I did. I set this up so that I can work on stuff. Over here is all pillows and stuff we have to go through and decide what we're going to keep and get rid of the rest. The Goodwill or whatever. But I wanted to show you my DIY station. It says DIY Monday up there. Bring the camera closer. As you can see, it says DIY Monday on top. This is what I have all ready to go, and next Monday we'll be working on some birdhouses and stuff like that and what's going on, and then we'll be putting this away because this is the birdhouses. You see the birdhouses here? These are all birdhouses. This will be going away this week, and we'll set this aside and paint this for next year. And of course I have the dollhouses. I have all the paints and everything behind it, and this is what we'll be working on. We'll be doing that. I'll be giving that away, and this is basically everything set up here. And of course this is my fish room, and this is my DIY station down here, and you see everything. This will go away for, matter of fact, we can put this away now. We'll put this over here out of the way for next year. This will go upstairs as well, so that's out of the way. So now I have the DIY station set up. I'll be sitting down here working on stuff and everything else. I wanted to show everybody that there will be 2 to 3 DIY videos a month on a Monday on the DIY channel. And of course there'll be some stuff that I'll be doing on DIYs on the Pond and Garden channel if it's work outside. So I have a whole bunch of stuff here that I have to go through yet. These are all over here. See this bag of stuff on the chair? This bag of stuff on the chair right there. This bag of stuff right here on the chair. That's what I have to go through. We'll be doing that next week. Getting my station in order. Putting some paper towels here. I may even get a betta fish for this bowl. So that's the DIY station set up, and we'll be doing this every other Monday. So it will be 2 to 3 videos a month on DIY Mondays. So hope you like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell. Let me know what you think of DIY Mondays, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Remember, my next video will be on the first Monday in February. So we'll see you then, and we'll be straightening out this entire table and getting everything organized, and how I'm going to set up everything and what I'm going to be doing first. That will be my first video. So that's it for DIY Mondays. Watch for the next DIY Monday video, which will be on Monday, the first Monday in February. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now. Remember to like, comment, subscribe down below over here. Let me know what you think of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to watch the Pond and Garden Sanctuary, DIY Mondays, this channel, Hauling with Stephen F. every Sunday, we'll get to Dollar Tree. I may miss one Sunday a month, but we'll have at least every Sunday I'll be on with a video. If I do something else, it won't just be hauling Dollar Tree, it'll be hauling all sorts of stuff. And of course, Fish Tank Thursdays. There will be a Fish Tank Thursday video this week, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now. Don't forget to watch the Pond and Garden Sanctuary. Tomorrow's live stream is at 9:30. I'll see you then. Bye.